Hi, I'm Sydney. I make scientifically experimental vegan recipes. Some are great and some are bombs. Subscribe to watch the adventures and see if you get some ideas for your own cooking. Here's my verdict on this raindrop type gel recipe. It was good without the chia seeds. I would definitely omit the chia seeds, they don't taste so great. And next time I would do only half the agar, and I would not use water, I would just use pure juice. Here's my verdict on this experimental recipe. It was okay, but not great. Next time I will not use the chia seeds. I will not use water. I will just do the entire thing with juice, and I'll try using half the agar to make it a little less firm.